Most people work hard every single day, save whatever is left, and still feel anxious when the month ends. Paychecks come in, bills rush out, and it feels like wealth is always just out of reach. You're doing everything right, yet something still feels broken. Society tells us the same story over and over. Go to school, get a job, and invest later. Social media makes it worse, selling fast money instead of real systems. We're taught that timing the market sounds smart, but consistency quietly wins. The real danger isn't losing money, it's standing still. Inflation slowly eats your savings while years quietly slip away. Time is the one thing you can never earn back. What if working harder is actually the reason you're falling behind? Hey, I'm Ethan, and this is Ethan's Money Library, where we build wealth one book at a time. Today we're breaking down Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, for education only, so subscribe and let's change how you see money. Money doesn't come from just one paycheck, even though that's what most of us are taught growing up. In reality, there are 4 different ways money moves, and each one creates a very different life. Once you see the full picture, you realize why some people feel trapped while others feel free. As an employee, you're paid for your time, trading hours for a paycheck. When you're self-employed, you're paid for your effort, and if you stop working, the money stops too. Business owners build systems that work without them, and investors let money itself do the heavy lifting. The real goal is freedom, where your income isn't tied to how many hours you work. A higher salary feels good, but it doesn't automatically create wealth or peace of mind. As Robert Kiyosaki said, "Don't work for money, make money work for you." Most people believe hard work automatically leads to freedom, but that's not always true. If your income depends entirely on your time, stopping work means the money instantly stops. That's the hidden trap of being an employee or self-employed. Let's look at simple math most people ignore. You work 40 hours, you get paid once, and if you miss a week, your income drops to 0. That's not freedom, that's dependency disguised as stability. Busy schedules can look impressive, but they often steal your freedom. Many people confuse job security with financial security, thinking staying busy means staying safe. As Tim Ferriss said, being busy is often just lazy thinking, like running hard on a treadmill and never moving forward. Business owners don't think in hours, they think in systems. A real business keeps working even when the owner steps away. That's where breathing room and freedom actually begin. Think about a system like a gym membership. One setup serves 10 people today, and the same system can serve 100 tomorrow. The owner isn't lifting weights, the system is doing the heavy work. The biggest trap is believing you have to do everything yourself. Business owners build people, processes, and systems that replace their time. That's how income becomes predictable and life becomes flexible. Investing isn't about fast wins or daily excitement. Real investors understand that time, not speed, creates wealth. This is where patience quietly beats talent. Investors don't wait for perfect timing. They invest small amounts consistently, month after month, year after year. Over time, those simple habits compound into life-changing results. Most people wait for the perfect moment and never start. But skipping small daily expenses, like that extra coffee, can turn into serious investments over decades. As Warren Buffett says, patience always wins in the end. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. First, income types matter. Where your money comes from shapes your freedom. Second, systems always beat effort. When income depends only on your energy, you stay stuck. And remember this, time is your biggest asset. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about positioning yourself where time and systems work for you. If this video helped you see money differently, like the video, subscribe for more book-based money lessons, and share this with a friend who feels stuck. And tell me in the comments, which quadrant are you in right now, And which one do you want to move toward? This is Ethan's money library. Remember, building wealth, one book at a time. I'll see you in the next chapter.